Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we'll be talking about family, specifically families that choose you, not you choose them. Now this is an interesting dynamic, right? Families, I didn't expect to be inducted into a family when I decided to buy a Mustang. I always thought, no, I'm just going to buy a Mustang. It's a #1, best-selling car in America, best-selling sports car in America. And there's got to be a lot of parts, aftermarket parts for it. I can do modifications, all that stuff. I didn't realize I was being inducted into a 60-year tradition, right? In which family member after family member, all you have to do is have a Mustang owner, and there's something special. To go to Fabulous Fords Forever and see all of the different Mustangs being developed, being modified, being taken care of. There's something special about it when I pass another Mustang on the road. See, family, in some ways, there are two ways of being in a family. One is to work your way into a family, right? To work really hard and be able to do well, and from that you get chosen into the family. In that case, it's kind of an odd thing, because what if you don't do well anymore or decide not to work well? Does that family then cast you out? Another thing is, if you're not chosen for what you do, but you're just chosen to be part of the family, there's something really special about that. There's an adoption, there's something special, because it's not about what you do. It's not about who you are. It's about who you belong to. And because of that belonging, you can't help but want to do the right thing. You can't help but want to work and do your best. Not because it's going to keep you in the family, not because it's going to give greater fame for the family, because you're part of the family and you want to please the family. You want to be part of it. You want to contribute. I urge you to find those places in your life that you can have this sort of family. It's so rare these days, but I've realized that many times the family I have, I didn't even know that. I took them for granted. But there's something very special about that. So I encourage you to find that family, hold on to it, and also contribute. Not because it's good for you, it's because it's the right thing to do. I hope this was helpful for you. Until next time, bye.